Okay, took my hat off. I have hat hair. I have to regretfully inform you that my battery died for this video series of the Oley festival. And I only got half of it. And I'm so disappointed because there were some really good conversations. The kids had great questions. There was lots of people looking, and that's what I want. People thinking, people questioning, you know, what's going on. And I think I got a lot of that. So, you know me, I never force anybody to believe anything. I never get upset with them. So, I think I'll have to look into getting a new battery for my camera. It was at 73%. I think it was 73% when I started the event tonight. So, I don't know what happened to it, but it died. I'm sad. Because the cop that was following me, he was very friendly at the end, shook my hand, and you know, he was very happy that there wasn't any incidents, you know, and there usually aren't. The people are fine. It's usually like the cops or the security that's the problem. So, you know, they like to get nervous and get everybody upset. Some of them. But this guy was really cool. So thank you for that. And I'm going to have to get a battery, I guess. But I was really pleased, very pleased with the outcome. I'm very glad that I went, even though I was tired. And maybe I'll go next year. And I hope they look on my channel and they can leave me a message or whatever. But I just wanted to explain to you, that's why I only have an hour where I was there for 2 hours. Yeah, so I was there till 6 o'clock. And now I'm on my way home. And tomorrow I'm going to the bike festival in Lehighton. And I expect there to be hundreds and hundreds of motorcycles. That's what I expect, especially if it's nice weather. Now, this is a 3-day event up there at Lehighton. So, it'll take me an hour on the turnpike. And see what kind of reception I get up there. I hope I can get more pamphlets copied tomorrow, and I'm going to need to check on this battery thing. Cannot have my battery dying. That will not work. Okay, love you all. Glad you were with me tonight, and see you next time. Okay, bye.